Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. Well, in today's video, we're going to see 3 very quick and easy veg party snacks recipe which you can enjoy during this Diwali or any other parties to come with your family and friends. So let's get started with this amazing recipes. So the first recipe is short corn salsa, and for that you will need some frozen sweet corns, some finely chopped onions, finely chopped English cucumber, finely chopped tomatoes, and some finely chopped capsicum. Next, take a mixing bowl and into it goes the frozen sweet corns, then goes the finely chopped tomatoes, chopped English cucumber, chopped capsicum, and the finely chopped onions. Next goes some finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Then goes the juice of half a lemon, some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of chili flakes, and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now mix all the ingredients well, and our quick corn salsa is now ready to be served. Next, take a short glass like this, and into it I will add 2 teaspoons of salsa dip. If you want how to make homemade salsa dip, do let me know in the comment section. Now add the prepared corn salsa on top of the salsa dip. And finally add the nachos of your choice to enjoy the corn salsa, and garnish with a sprig of coriander to complete it. Here it goes. So friends, do try this quick and healthy party snack recipe. And now let's move on to the second recipe. And our second veg party snack recipe is masala papar cone. So let's begin. For that you will need small size masala papar, which you need to cut into half like this using a scissor. Next, heat a tawa, and by using a cotton cloth gently press the papar so that they are roasted well from both the sides. And once roasted, quickly fold the papar into cone shape like this, and then gently press the edge with the cloth for few seconds until it's firm. And our papar cone is ready now. And to present it in an unique way, we will take a short glass and place the papar cone. Next, we will add the corn salsa which we had prepared earlier, but with a desi twist. And for the desi twist, I am adding here few fried peanuts. You can of course add the roasted ones, and also few strands of aloo bhujiya, and some chili flakes to add some spiciness. If you want, you can also add chaat masala. And finally garnish with a sprig of coriander. That's it. And here goes our masala papar shots or masala papar cone. And now let's move on to our third and last party snack recipe. And our third veg party snack recipe is cheesy paneer balls, which will be very yummy and cheesy. So let's begin with the recipe. And for this recipe you will need paneer or cottage cheese which has been grated. And into this I'll be adding 1 cube of processed cheese which has been grated as well. Then goes half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and half teaspoon of chili flakes. This is Amul cheese spread, which has got a very creamy texture. We'll be adding 1 tablespoon of it. And to bind all the ingredients well, I'll be adding now some corn flour. And with clean hands, we'll roughly mix this once to see if the mixture binds well. This is okay. And now into this, I will add some salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper. And now we will mix this well. Next, take one processed cheese cube, which we need to cut into small portions like this. And along with that, I'll be also using shredded mozzarella, as we are making cheesy paneer balls, and so it has to be very cheesy from inside. Now take a small portion of the paneer and cheese mixture and flatten it slightly. Next, take a small cube of cheese as well as some shredded mozzarella. And give this the shape of a ball. This one is ready, and as you can see, my paneer cheese balls are ready. Also, you will need some cornstarch or corn flour, into which I'll be adding a splash of water to make a slurry. Mix this well. This is ready. Also, you will need some breadcrumbs to make the paneer balls crispy. Now take a paneer cheese ball and dip into the corn flour slurry. Next, coat the ball really well with the breadcrumbs from all the sides. Shake off the excess. And in the same way, we will prepare all the paneer cheese balls. Make sure you coat the paneer cheese balls well with the breadcrumbs so that they turn crispy when we fry them. So coating is done and our paneer cheese balls are now ready to be fried. I have added here refined oil to fry the paneer cheese balls, and when the oil is hot enough, we will add the balls one by one into the hot oil. And on medium to high flame, we will fry them until they turn deep golden brown from all the sides. And after a few seconds, we will gently flip the paneer cheese balls one by one. And by now, our paneer cheese balls are fried deep golden brown from all the sides and are crisp from outside. So I will take them off. And you can also see here cheese oozing out from the paneer balls. This is yum. And our cheesy paneer balls are ready, crisp from outside and very cheesy from inside. Here you can see. And I'm sure kids and cheese lovers will definitely love this recipe. And to serve them in an interesting way, I will take a shot glass and add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. I have used garlic and herb mayo. Sprinkle a pinch of oregano and chili flakes on top of the mayonnaise. Now take a toothpick and pierce a paneer cheese ball. Pierce one more paneer cheese ball. and there it goes inside this shot glass, ready to be enjoyed. If you want, you can make variations by adding different dips of your choice. I'm adding now Szechuan sauce for little spiciness. And there goes our cheesy paneer balls inside the shot glass, and they are ready to rock the party. So friends, I hope you'll try these 3 quick and easy party snack recipes. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for many more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.